meron daw change ng leadership. Totoo ba? Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Rumors until it's there, diba? There's always discussion. There are people with happy of our direction, may people na hindi happy sa direction. Ako personally, I think everyone's campaigning instead of governing. So it's really, do you get 13 people of like minds? But as of today, wala pa yung 13 na yan or yung 13 hindi present.
Pero meron Sir, yung sinasabing change ng leadership, may chance ba? Sa tingin nyo ngayon?
Well, I doubt it, but sanay ako dito eh. I serve at the pleasure of my colleagues. Since the 8th Congress up to now, the Senate leadership has always been that way.
Sir,
Depende sa mga kasama. So,
what do you say about the coup rumors during the weekend, SP?
wala naman. Nakarating sa akin na ganun. Nakakarating na sa akin is kikwento ng mga kasama namin na we're solid. There's no problem with the majority. Ganun yung naririnig ko.
Sa social media, first female Senate President daw, SP. May ganun bang nakarating sa inyo?